Hold on a minute. There we go. I just dabbed the start button with a acidy finger. I signed that video off a bit early, actually. I forgot. This is probably a money shot that you wanted to see. You wanted to see all this stuff being chewed off. Or maybe you didn't, I don't know. But this video contains me giving it a brush off. Take the cap off and do that. I'm probably covering up the camera with my arm now, but you know, this isn't being scripted. I filmed in a studio. Right. So this would be like the first attempt. Usually takes 3. And we are wishing we hadn't taken the stickers off this one now. Right, so bare naked gas tanks. Right, so I'll give that another couple of goes until we get it naked, and then we'll start playing with all that filler. Great.